Hello everyone, myself Sahana S. Chakrasali, final year BMS. Today I am going to explain about importance of Ashtamaha Doshakara Bhava in Panchakarma. The topic that I am going to explain are introduction, importance, complications produced due to ignoring the precautions, complications caused due to non-avoidance of precautions, treatment, reference, conclusion. Introduction. Panchakarma is a Shodhana treatment which includes Vamana, Virechana, Nasya, Nakta Moshana. Every Panchakarma is done in 3 stages: Purva Karma, Pradhana Karma, Paschat Karma. All these stages have its own importance and relevance. Ashtamaha Doshakara Bhava is very important part of Panchakarma. Acharya clearly mentions about eight impediments which should be avoided after Samshodhana to prevent complication and get desired effects of it. Importance. The approach of Panchakarma Vaidya towards the patient should be just like the way how a chick freshly hatched from the egg is handled with tenderness, a brimful oil-filled pot is handled with carefulness. The above said approach towards the patient is mentioned to ensure the safety of the patient, preventing complications, ensuring the optimum therapeutic effect, which is achieved by the 8 impediments till the patient reaches the Prakriti Lakshana, such as 1. Person become capable of tasting any type of taste. Person is comfortable to evaluate the bowel and bladder. Person is enthusiastic and shows interest in all matters of are capable to performing normal functions. 4. Restoring of Bala. Ashtamahadoshakara Bhava. The shloka goes like Uchair Bhashya Ratakshobham Atichakramana Asane Ajirna Ahita Bojer Cha Divasopnam Samaitunam. First, Uchair Bhashya, exertion caused due to speaking excessive loudly. Example, singing, anchoring, giving lectures, etc. Second, Ratakshobha, exertion caused due to excessive traveling. Third, Ati Chakramana, exertion caused due to excessive walking. Ati Asana, exertion caused due to sitting for long duration. Ajirna, indigestion. Sixth, Ahita Bhojana, intake of non-healthy meals. Seventh, Divasopna, sleeping in daytime. Eighth, Samaituna, sexual indulgence. The complications produced due to ignoring the precautions are Unchar Bhasha causes Udva Deha dosha, Ratakshobha causes Sarva Deha dosha, Ati Chakramana causes Ado Deha dosha, Ati Asana causes Madhya Deha dosha, Ajirana causes Ama dosha, Ahita Bhojana causes Doshaja Vikara, Divasopna causes Shleshmaja dosha, Samaituna causes Kshayaja dosha. Complication caused due to non-avoidance of precautions and their treatment. Unchar Bhashya. The examples of disorders caused due to Ucha Bhashya and Ati Bhashya are Tatra Uncha Bhashya Ati Bhashyabhyam Shirastapa Shanka Karna Nistoda Shrota Uparoda Talu Kantashosha Taimirya Pipasa Jwara Tamaka Hanugraha Manyastamba Nishtivana Ura Parshvashula Swara Beda Hikka Shwasa Dayaha Syuhu. Treatment. The treatment of complication caused due to Uncha Bhashya and Ati Bhashya are Abhyanga, Swedana, Upanaha, Duma, Nasya, Uparipakta Sneha Pana, Rasa, Kshira, etc. Vatahara Sarva Vidhi. Ratakshobhat. The examples of disorder caused due to Ratakshobhat are Ratakshobhat, Sandipparva, Shaitilya, Hanunasa, Karana, Kshirashula, Toda Kukshi, Kshoba Atopa, Antarkunjana, Admana, Hrudayendriya Uparoda, Spik Parshva, Vakshana, Rukshana Kati Prushta Vedana, Sandhi Skanda, Griva, Daurbalya Anga, Abhitapa, Padashofa, Prasava, Apaharshana Dayaha. The treatment of complications produced due to Ratakshobha are Snehana, Swedana, Vatahara Karma, Nidana Varjana. Ati Chakramana. The examples of disorder caused due to Ati Chakramana are Ati Chakramanat, Pada, Janga, Uru, Janu, Vakshana, Shroni, Prushta Shula, Sakti, सदन निस्तोद पिंडिकोद्वेष्ट अंगमर्द स अभिताप सिरधमनिहर्ष श्वास कासादयः. Treatment of complications produced due to Ati Chakramana are Snehana, Svedana, Vatahara Karma, Nidana Varjana. Atyasana, Atyasana Drata Shobhajaha, Spik Parshva, Vakshana, Rukshana, Kati, Prushta Vedanadayaha. The treatment of complications produced due to Atihasana are Snehana, Svedana, Vatahara Karma, Nidana Varjana. Ajirna and Adyashayana. Ajirna Adyashayanambhyam 2 ಮುಖಶೋಷ ಆದ್ಮಾನ ಶೂಲ ನಿಸ್ತೋದ ಪಿಪಾಸ ಗಾತ್ರಸಾದ ಛರ್ದ್ಯ ಅತಿಸಾರ ಮೂರ್ಛ ಜ್ವರ ಪ್ರವಾಹಣ ಆಮವಿಷಾದಯಃ. The treatment of complications produced due to ajirna and adyashayana is niravashesha chardana, ruksha svedana, langanam and pachaniya deepaniya ಔಷಧ ಅವಚರಣ. ವಿಷಮ ಅಹಿತಾಶನ. ವಿಷಮ ಅಹಿತಾಶನಾಭ್ಯಾಂ ಅನನ್ನಭಿಲಾಷ ದೌರ್ಬಲ್ಯ ವೈವಾರಣ್ಯ ಕಂಡು ಪಾಮಗಾತ್ರ ಅವಸಾದ ವಾತಾದಿ ಪ್ರಕೋಪಜಶ್ಚ ಗ್ರಾಹಿಣ್ಯ ಹರ್ಷ ವಿಕಾರದಯಃ. The treatment of complications produced due to ವಿಷಮ ಅಹಿತಾಶನ is ಯಥಾ ದೋಷಕರ ಕ್ರಿಯಾ. ದಿವಸ್ವಪ್ನ. ದಿವಸ್ವಪ್ನಾದ್ ಅರೋಚಕ ಅವಿಪಾಕ ಅಗ್ನಿನಾಶ ಸ್ಥೈಮಿತ್ಯ ಪಾಂಡುತ್ವ ಕಂಡು ಪಾಮದಾಹ ಛರ್ದ್ಯ ಅಂಗಮರ್ದ ಹೃದಯಸ್ತಂಭ ಜಾಡ್ಯ ತಂದ್ರ ನಿದ್ರಪ್ರಸಂಗ ಗ್ರಂಥಿ ಜನ್ಮ ದೌರ್ಬಲ್ಯ ರಕ್ತಮೂತ್ರ ಅಕ್ಷಿತ ತಾಲುಲೇಪಃ. The treatment of complications produced due to divaswapna are ಧೂಮಪಾನ ಲಂಘನ ವಮನ ಶಿರೋವಿರೇಚನ ವ್ಯಾಯಾಮ ರೂಕ್ಷಾಸನ ಅರಿಷ್ಟದೀಪನೀಯ ಔಷಧ ಪ್ರಘರ್ಷಣ ಉನ್ಮಾರ್ದನ ಪರಿಸೇಚನ ಎಕ್ಸೆಟ್ರಾ. ಸರ್ವಶ್ಲೇಷ್ಮಹರ ವಿಧಿ. ಸಮೈಥುನ. The examples of disorders caused due to ಸಮೈಥುನ are ವ್ಯವಾಯಾದ ಆಶುಬಲನಾಶ ಉರಸಾದ ಶಿರೋಬಸ್ತಿ ಗುಡ ಮೇಡ್ರ ವಕ್ಷಣ ಉರ ಜಾನು ಜಂಗ ಪಾದಶೂಲ ಹೃದಯ ಸ್ಪಂದನ ನೇತ್ರಪೀಡಾಂಗ ಶೈಥಿಲ್ಯ ಶುಕ್ರಮಾರ್ಗ ಶೋಣಿತ ಗಮನ ಕಾಸ ಶ್ವಾಸ ಶೋಣಿತ ಸ್ಟೀವನ ಸ್ವರ ಅವಸಾದ ಕಟಿ ದೌರ್ಬಲ್ಯ ಏಕಾಂಗ ಸರ್ವಾಂಗ ರೋಗ ಮೂಷಕ ಶ್ವಯತು ವಾತವರ್ಚ ಮೂತ್ರಸಂಗ ಶುಕ್ರ ವಿಸರ್ಗ ಜಾಡ್ಯ ವ್ಯಪತ್ತು ಬಾಧಿರ್ಯ ವಿಷಾದ ಆದಾಯ ಸ್ಯುಃ ಅವಲುಪ್ತತ ಇವ ಗುದಃ ತಾಡ್ಯತ ಮೇಡ್ರಂ ಅವಸಿದ್ಧತೀವ ಮನೋವ್ಯಪತೆ ಹೃದಯಂ ಪೀಡಯಂತೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯಃ ತಮಃ ಪ್ರವೇಶಯಂತೆ ಇವ ಚ. The treatment of complications produced due to vyavaya are use of ಜೀವನೀಯ ಸಿದ್ಧ ಕ್ಷೀರ ಸರ್ಪಿ ವಾತಹರ ಅಭ್ಯಂಗ ಉಪನಾಹ ವೃಕ್ಷ ಆಹಾರ ಸ್ನೇಹ ಯಾಪನ ಬಸ್ತಿ ಅನುವಾಸನ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಅಡಾಪ್ಟೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಉತ್ತರ ಬಸ್ತಿ ಆಫ್ ವಿದಾರೆ ಗಂಧಾದಿ ಗಣ ಜೀವನೀಯ ಕ್ಷೀರ ಸಿದ್ಧಿ ತೈಲ ಇನ್ ಮೂತ್ರ ವಿಕೃತಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಬಸ್ತಿ ಶೂಲ. Conclusion. Ashtamahadosakara Varja Vishaya are explained by various acharya, but details amongst all of them are found in Charaka Samhita. After the Panchakarma Chikitsa, all post-operative procedures can be explained to the patient in his own language to follow the Parihara Kala and to avoid the complications. The specific Dravya and specific Panchakarma modalities are utilized for maintaining and restore the health. Patient should be in contact with Vaidya to avoid such complications minimum for 15 days after the Panchakarma. The symptoms of Kapha dosha adhikya are treated with Ruksha, Tikshna, Ushna, Shodhana, Upakrama. Pitta dosha adhikya dravya and Roga are treated with Madura, Shita, Tikta Rasa dravya and Shamana Upachara are followed. Vata dosha adhikya roga mainly treated with Guru, Snidda, Ushna, Taila, Shita, Astapana and Anuvasana Basti. In daily routine life it is beneficial to follow the Ashtamahadosakara Varja Vishaya to build the health promotion of longevity. Reference Charaka Samhita Siddhisthana 12th chapter 9 to 15 shloka, Shushruta Samhita Sutra Sthana 9th chapter 3 and 4th shloka, Panchakarma Parignana. Thank you.